Hi, Dr. Kapil Govil. Welcome you in this video. In this video, we will discuss how to print this pattern. Here in this video, we will discuss algorithm for printing this pattern. And here we can see that here in this pattern, some rows and columns are there. Because here some rows and columns are there, it means we have to use nested loop. For solving this problem, we have taken a template. Here, nested loop example is there. Now we will solve and we will fill the values so that we can print it. So here from top to bottom we can see that one number is either increasing or decreasing. So here we can see that this number is decreasing from 5 to 1. So we will count it as I. So it means value of I is 5 to 1. So we will write 5 to 1. Because I is decreasing from 5 to 1, it means we have to write decrement. It means minus sign. And now, how many columns are there in this row? Here 5, here 5, here 5. It means all the columns in each row are 5. It means J should be 1 to 5. So here we will write J equal to 1 to 5. So as J is increasing from 1 to 5, it means we have to write plus sign. Now point is what to print here, what to write here so that this pattern can be printed. Here we have to print 5, here we have to print 4, here we have to print 3, here we have to print row. It means whatever the value of I is there, we have to print it. It means I should be printed here. So we have to write I here. And we can see that after printing all the columns in each row, we have to change the line. So we have written here print slash n. You can change any line or you can write any statement for printing new line or changing new line. So this is the concept for printing this pattern. I hope this concept is now clear to you. Still, if you have any doubt or any query, then you can write in comment section. I will try my level best for solving your query. And there is a small request to you. If you are watching this video on YouTube channel, then please subscribe this channel. And if you are watching this video on Facebook page, then please follow this page. So thanks for watching this video.